Casio, arithmetic sequence.
Hello Casio Nation! Welcome back again to our Casio Tech Talk videos. For today, we will discuss a grade 10 topic, which is the arithmetic sequence. Now, each one of you knows the equation in finding the nth term of a arithmetic sequence. That is, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. But today, I will just simply alter some of the terms so that it can fit to any given term on the sequence, not just for a sub 1. And what is that? It is a sub n is equal to a sub m plus n minus m times d. Now, what you ask, what is a sub m and what does m indicates? Now, a sub m or m simply indicates any given position or term on the sequence. It may be a sub 4, it may be a sub 10, if the given indicates that position or the term of the sequence. Now, let me discuss to you more on this new or an altered arithmetic sequence equation. Now, let's try and solve for number 1. So we have here a sub 4 is equal to 5. The common difference is equal to 3. We are asked to find the 11th term. Now, we do not have a sub 1 here. If we use the original equation, you will use the equation twice so that you can find the value of a sub 11, which is you need first to get the first term. Now, using this equation, we can just simply input all the given values into our equation so that we can find the a sub 11. Now, here how it goes. Now, let us first name our variables or our given. Now, we have here a sub 4, so that means a sub m or m is equal to 4. And then we are looking for a sub 11, so therefore m is equal to 11. Okay, now the common difference is 3. Now, we can just simply input everything to our equation right here. Now, a sub m, that is a sub 11, the one that we are looking for. A sub m now is a sub 4, which is a sub 4 plus n minus m. N is 11 minus m, which is 4. And the common difference is 3. Now, what is a sub 4? A sub 4 is 5. Then we add 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Now we have simply 5 plus 21, which is equal to 26. So therefore, a sub 11 is 26. That's how you use this altered equation to fit any position or term in the sequence. Now, let's try this in our calculator. Now, the function that we will be used here is not compute, but we need to use the stat function. Now, how to access the stat function? Just press mode and then press 3 to go and proceed to the stat function. Now, arithmetic sequence is simply a linear equation. So we use and choose our second, which is a linear regression. Now, how do we input our values here? Okay, so we can simply have, for example, our number 1, we have a sub 4 is equal to 5. The value 4, we put 4 on the x value, and in the y value, we put 5. That will be a of 4 or a of x is equal to y, which is 5. Now, next thing is we just need to provide the next value, which is a of 5. Since the common difference is 3, so we just simply add 3 to our a of 5, which gives us 8. So meaning, a of 5 is equal to 8 accordance with the common difference of 3. Now, how do we solve for a of 11? Then, simply press AC and just simply type 11 and then shift, cat, then press 5 for reg, and then go to the y with an inverted b on top. That will be 5, and then press equal sign. Then we get ace of 11 to be equal to 26. We can also use this if we want to find other term of the sequence. Let's say you want to put what is the 20th term on the sequence. In our problem number 1, just simply change 20, then use the y bar with inverted b and press equal sign. Then we have the ace of 20 to be equal to 53. It's not in the problem, but you can use multiple, or you can find multiple term in the sequence by using this stat function. Now, let's try our problem number 2. Now, given is we have ace of 3, which is negative 5. Ace of 12 is 13. Now, we are looking for the common difference. Now, you will ask which should be ace of n and which should be ace of m. It doesn't matter. You can put, let's say, ace of n. Let's say ace of n will be ace of 3. So, therefore, n is equal to 3. Then, we have ace of m to be equal to ace of 12. So, therefore, our m will be 12. And the common difference, that will be the one that we are looking for. Now, if we use our equation right here and our given values and we substitute it in our equation, then it will look like this. Ace of n will be ace of 3. And then ace of m will be ace of 12. Then we have plus our value of m is 3. And then our value of m is 12. And we are looking for the common difference. Now, we need to transpose ace of 12 to the left side by subtracting each of left and right side by ace of 12. So this will be transposed to the right side. And we have here ace of 3 minus ace of 12 equals to what is 3 minus 12 is negative 9 times the common difference. Okay? Now, ace of 3 is negative 5. So, ace of 3 is negative 5. Ace of 12 is 13. So, we subtract 13 equals negative 9. And multiplied by the common difference. So, we have here negative 18 is equal to negative 9 over d, and we divide both sides by negative 9. So, therefore, our value of the common difference, which is negative 18 divided by negative 9, our common difference is 2. Now, let's try if this will work on our calculator. Now, in our second problem, we are looking for the common difference d. Okay, so we are given with ace of 3 is equal to negative 5 and ace of 12 to be equal to 13. Now, we should access again our stat function in number 3, and then we use the linear function 2, and then we just input the values of x and y, which is the subscript of our ace of 3, which is 3, and then the subscript of ace of 12, which is 12, and their equal values. So, ace of 3 is given by negative 5, and then ace of 12 is equal to 13. Just press it there, and you have your values. Now, how do we define our common difference? Just press AC, and then shift 1 to access the stat function, and then go to reg, and press 2 or the letter B in the choices. If you press 2, and then press equal sign, the value is 2, which is the common difference of the sequence. Now, can you try solve for ace of 5 in the third problem? Comment down your answer below.